my name is Tony, aka Dominus. Are you still worrying about NEPA? You want to work from home, but you have issues? No worries. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a package that will allow you to work from home without stress. This is the Mercury Direct Plug and Play Work with No Stress. I will show you how to connect your batteries and inverter together. Here you have your 12 volts Mercury Inverter 1 kVA and also your 12 volt newly improved 100 amps battery. Both are made in India. At the back of the inverter, you will find the negative cable. You can simply connect your negative cable to the negative part of your battery terminal. You will also find your positive cable and simply connect it to the positive part of your battery terminal. Once you confirm that it is connected and it is very tight and close, your inverter is ready to use. I will show you how to connect your appliances. Here you have your surge protector. You can simply connect your surge protector at the back of your inverter. You switch on the power button in front of the inverter and your inverter is on and connected. You can see the light bulb is on and also your fan. You can work with longer hours with your laptop and connect with your family and friends abroad. As easy as that. Thank you. For more information, contact mercurydirect.com.ng or call 070-3745-1701. Let there be light. Mercury Direct.